So if you want to learn out some rules and regulations of some board games, then what you can do is you can access a plugin called Game Time. So to do that, you can go around onto Explore GPTs right here, and over here on the Buy GPT section, you can expand this out, and here you can see that Game Time is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that this is the Game Time plugin right here, and it says I can quickly explain board games or card games to players of any age. Let's let the games begin. So if I were to go around and say explain about Chinese checkers right here, just like this, and if I were to go around and do that, you can see that it is what you have right here. So it gives you the objective, the setup, the game component, the basic rules, and so forth, as you can see right here, and you easily get out the contents right here. Similarly, let's say for example, how do I play the board game of life right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that it starts giving me the content right here for that particular game right here as well. So this is what you can use it for. So you can go around and then ask out what you can do as to play the game and get the rules of that particular game right here. So let's just also ask, how do I play Uno playing cards right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it gives the description right here, just like this. Like, Uno is a popular card game that's easy to learn and fun for all ages. Here's how to play right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around and utilize the Game Time plugin inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.